how to process your vocals like a pro in 4 minutes. First, raw vocal from Mercurial Tones help and good at the same time.
We were hurting. Run back to me. Say a little closer tonight.
These vocals are so already nice.
Run back to me. Maybe we were never.
Let's take this one.
We were.
The first thing that you want, clean up the vocal. I'm just gonna take off these.
Maybe we
Rumbles.
were never perfect.
And there's this S's and so on and so forth. Gonna get Dagen for that. We're gonna do 2 Dagens actually. One exactly focus on the S's.
Never perfect. Maybe we were never perfect.
Right? Do you hear it?
Perfect.
You down it?
Perfect. Perfect.
Dagon doing better than the best DSL ever. And then we're gonna have a gentle Dagon just to clean up the mud.
Perfect.
I'm gonna pull down. I'm actually gonna go for the smart because that means that regardless of the volume changes in the vocal, we just focus on the resonant part.
Perfect. Maybe love was hard to prove. Perfect. Maybe love was hard to prove.
We did already, so let's don't do that part.
Perfect. Maybe love was hard.
We done it.
Perfect.
We can even release a bit more.
Maybe love.
Always A, B, so you hear what we are doing. Without.
Maybe we were never. Maybe we were.
Mud just gone. Now, we fix the mud, we need to fix the volumes. We bring in the tether. This is compression 2.0. If you listen,
Maybe we were.
if I turn this off,
Maybe we were never perfect.
they are fine, but there are some parts like going really low and going really high. So we want to like squeeze them a bit. So that means we put a target something like this.
Maybe we.
And a floor, so everything under flow, we let it go. But in between, the lower parts get louder and louder parts get quieter. And we can do it one by one, so you can see.
Maybe.
Let's pull these tops.
Maybe we were. Maybe.
You see it?
Maybe. Maybe.
And then let's pull those bottom,
Maybe we were never.
especially here, right?
Maybe we were never.
You see? That just stabilizes the vocal and levels. And I want a bit of more character to the vocal. Cal is my favorite actually for this. I'm gonna go dry this now.
Maybe we were never perfect.
We actually have vocal here, so this is even better for the vocal type of stuff.
Maybe we were never perfect.
If you don't have backing vocals and want a bit stereo with, the choruses are really good. I'm gonna use Yasha. This is my own take on Dimension D. The idea is not like that though. I'm not gonna use a 50%. I'm gonna just really make it quiet. Without?
Maybe we were never.
It just gives this subtle width. This will especially more elegant with the reverb on top. You can use it as a synth or the channel. Just to make it simpler here, I'm gonna use just channel reverb.
Perfect.
Gonna get a bit low count.
Maybe we
Open up
were
that.
never perfect.
The trick with the reverbs, I like them to layer it, like one short, one long. This time I'm gonna use Pro R. And because I'm creating channel now, I'm actually gonna try dry and make the other ones full wet, so I can actually mix them much easily. But before that, I'm gonna just go to the Pro R now and create a room reverb.
Maybe we were never.
Shorter.
Maybe we were never perfect.
This warm reverb. And if you listen to the vintage reverb, this will be like bright and big reverb. This color difference is just beautiful. But you do that, you just pull 100% both.
Maybe we were never perfect.
Don't tell me this is just a gorgeous reverb. All we need now is a delay. And for that, lucky us, we have Manta. And I'm just gonna go actually the vocals.
Maybe we were never.
The good thing with the Manta is we already have inbuilt ducker and post and pre-effects. I'm gonna pull those lows a bit more.
Maybe we were never perfect.
Ah, it's so good. And here you have it. You don't need more than this. And this sounds gorgeous.